When starting up a spray gun, it is very important that you read all the warnings and instructions in the Electric Airless Spray Manual and related manuals before you begin using the equipment. Be familiar with the controls and the proper usage of the equipment. Wear suitable personal protective equipment as agreed with the site manager. Read the technical data sheet, safety data sheet and application guide before you start. There is 15 metres of hose, so be careful not to trip over it or cause a trip hazard for someone else. Always start with the safety catch on. The guns will spray up to 3000 psi and could injure someone if used incorrectly or accidentally. In here is the filter for the pump. Make sure that the filter is clean before you start. The on-off switch is located here at the back of the pump. The prime valve has two positions. In the downwards position, it will recirculate product around the pump. If the prime valve is positioned forward at 3 o'clock, the pump will spray. This is the pressure control. Familiarise yourself with the minimum and maximum position before you start. During startup, always start with the pressure at the minimum and increase as required. This is the pickup tube that goes into the product, and this is the return that you will need to clip and unclip onto the pickup tube. Before you put the pickup tube into the product, give the product a good stir. Put the pickup tube into the product and the return into a spare container. This ensures that any initial amount of water in the pump goes into the spare container. Turn the pump on and increase the pressure. Initially, the water in the pump will flow through. Once you see product flowing into the spare container, reduce the pressure and clip the return to the pickup tube. Place both the pickup tube and the return into the product container and increase the pressure. Reduce the pressure using the pressure control and turn the prime valve to 3 o'clock into spray mode. Now we are going to prime the spray gun. Turn the spray tip so the arrow is facing backwards. Remove the safety catch, increase the pressure and run any water in the airline through until you see product going into the spare container. Now spray into the product container. Once you are happy the product is flowing freely, place the safety catch on and turn the arrow on the spray tip around so that the arrow is now facing forwards. You are ready to spray.